I'm from Ernakulam. I'm currently pursuing my B.Tech from Adishankara Institute of Engineering Technology, Quality. I saw an ad online of Techmindz and I was interested, so I contacted them. Even though it was an online program, we always got personal attention and there was also teamwork. The major change I felt in myself is that after attending the program is that I gained more confidence in Python and in the framework Django than I was before. I'm currently working at a private limited company along my studies. After attending the grooming sessions with Techmindz, I'm able to juggle both smoothly.